All right, preterito versus el imperfecto. How to talk about past events in Spanish. Preterito. Think of preterito as actions that happened once or within a specific time. For example, fui al centro comercial ayer. Ayer is yesterday, so that's our specific time. Completed actions in the past. Viajé a Belize en 2001. Okay, it's all done. It happened in the past. We also use the preterito to express the beginning or the end of a past action. Think of the verbs empezar and terminar. La película empezó a las 7:30 at a specific time. Terminó a las 9:15 at a specific time. We use the preterito to narrate a series of past actions. Me levanté, me duché, y fui a la clase. Think of each thing has to end before the next thing starts. I got up, then I showered, then I went to class. Imperfecto. This is the other past tense, and the first rule of using it is to describe an ongoing action in the past. Without reference to the beginning or end. Estudiaba el italiano. I studied Italian. We have no idea how long, when, we just know it happened in the past. We use the imperfecto to express a habitual. Think of a habit, past action. Iba a mi cabaña todos los veranos. Happened many more times than once. We use the imperfecto to describe a mental, physical, or emotional state. I think a lot of times of ser and estar as imperfect verbs, and tener when it's used with feelings. Physical, mental, emotional state or condition. Estaba muy cansado. I was very tired. Tenía mucha hambre. I was very hungry. We use imperfecto to tell time. This is when you're saying what time it was, not at what time something specifically happened. Okay? Eran las 7:30. Notice we're using eran because in present that would be son las 7:30. To talk about age, first thing to remember is the verb tener. You have your ears. Cuando tenía 6 años, when I was 6 years old, jugaba con las muñecas. I used to play with dolls. Overall, the way to, when you're thinking about preterito and imperfecto, you have to think about the following. When narrating in the past, the imperfect describes what was happening, while the preterite describes the action that interrupts the ongoing activity. The imperfect provides background information, while the preterite indicates specific events.